Lord Dattatreya Protection Shield. Om. Lord Dattatreya, protect my head, crown chakra, sitting in the lotus flower with 1000 petals. The son of Anasuya, protect my forehead, sitting in Chandramandal, the moon area. Protect my nostrils, upper part, sitting in the lotus flower of 2 petals, in my third eye chakra. In the form of mind, clarity in thinking, Man Swarup. Protect my eyes with your divine light form, Jyoti Swarup. Protect my ears in the form of voice, Shabdatmak Swarup, Dat. Protect my nose in the form of fragrance, Gandhatma Swarup, Lord. Protect my mouth in the form of taste, Rasatmak Swarup. Protect my tongue in the form of Vedas, the soul of knowledge, Vedantmak Swarup, Lord Dattatreya. Protect my teeth and lips with the religious soul, Dharmik Swarup, Lord Dattatreya. The son of Atri, Atri Putra, protect my cheeks. As a god of knowledge, Atamveta Swarup, protect my whole body. Sitting in the lotus flower of 16 petals in my throat chakra in the form of voice, Swar Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my throat. The younger brother of Chandramuni, Lord Dattatreya, protect my both shoulders. Taking incarnation in the beginning of Satyug, Lord Dattatreya, protect my both arms. In the form of victor of enemies, Shatrujit, protect my ribs. Lord Vishnu Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my chest. Sitting in the lotus flower of 12 petals from Ka to Tha, Kadi Thant, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya, Ta, Tha. The flower is made of 12 veins. In heart chakra, Lord of Yogeshwar, sitting in my heart chakra in the form of air, Lord Dattatreya, protect my heart. Appear from Kaling, Samarthagami, Lord Dattatreya, having knowledge of Hatha Yoga and Yoga Vidya, treasure of blessing, standing close to me, protect my stomach. Sitting in my solar plexus in the lotus flower of 10 petals from Dakaradi Fakarant. 10 petals symbolize 10 words Da Dha N Ta Tha Da Dha N Pa F in the form of fire element. Lord Dattatreya, protect my solar plexus with navel. Lord Dattatreya, protect me in the form of Lord Vasudeva. The whole universe lies in your belly. Protect my belly. Sitting in the lotus flower of 6 petals, Bakaradil Karant, that symbolizes the words Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La. The 6 veins of sacral chakra, the water form, Jal Tattva Swarup, Yogi, Lord Dattatreya, protect my sacral chakra. Sitting in the lotus flower of 4 petals, Vadisant, the 4 words Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, that symbolizes 4 veins in the form of earth element. Sitting in Siddhasan, Siddheshwar, Lord Dattatreya, protect my root chakra. Sitting with placing your hands on your knees, protect my back all around. The owner of Avadhuts, Lord Dattatreya, your feet makes that land pious where they are placed. Protect my soles of feet in the form of Sarvatma Keshav. Protect my pores and the parts of my whole body. In Charmambar form, Lord Dattatreya, protect my skin. Bhakti Priya, lover of devotion, Lord Dattatreya, protect the blood of my whole body. Lord of flesh, protect the flesh of my whole body. Maro Lord Dattatreya, protect my marrow metal. Intellectual Lord Dattatreya, protect my intelligence. Brahm Swarup Lord Dattatreya, protect my bones. Lord of joys and happiness, Lord Dattatreya, protect my Venus glow. Lord of strongest body, Dattatreya, protect my mind. The owner of sense organs, Lord Dattatreya, protect my sense and working organs from egos. In the form of Rishikesh, Lord Dattatreya, protect my soul. In the form of Ish, protect my working organs. In the form of Ajanma Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my knowledge organs. In the form of Shatrujit, Lord Dattatreya, protect me and my relatives from enemies. Shankar Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my home, field, gardens, money, properties, and my sons and daughters. Having the knowledge of nature, Lord Dattatreya, protect us both, husband and wife. Taking bow and arrows, Vishnu Swarup Lord Dattatreya, protect my pet animals. Honor of the main element, protect my life. In the form of sun, Lord Dattatreya, protect my eatable food from evil eyes and poison. Chandratmak Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my joys and happiness and protect me from sorrows. Shivji, who killed Tripur demon, Shiv Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect me from all sorrows. Pashupatinath Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my animals. Bhuteshwar Swarup, Lord Dattatreya, protect my luxuries and yog siddhis. Lord Dattatreya, protect me in the east direction by taking the form of poison killer Vishhar Swarup. Lord Dattatreya, protect me in the east-south direction by taking the form of Yagya Swarup. Lord Dattatreya, protect me in the south direction by taking the form of Dharamraj Swarup. Lord Dattatreya, protect me in the southwest direction by taking the form of Sarvarihanta, the destroyer of all enemies. Lord Dattatreya, protect my life in the west direction by taking the form of Varaha, the pig incarnation. Lord Dattatreya, protect in the west-north direction with the form of air element by giving breathing life force energies. Lord Dattatreya, protect my money in the north direction by taking the form of Kuber, the Lord of Money. Lord Dattatreya, protect me in the north direction by taking the form of the Guru of the Word Lord Shivji, by taking the form of Mahasiddh Lord Dattatreya, protect me from the upper direction. Lord Jatadhari Dattatreya, protect me from the lower direction. The parts of the body that are not mentioned, they are protected by Adi Muni Lord Dattatreya. Lord Dattatreya, protect us all around. Lord Dattatreya, protection shield. Om